How'd you do that? You're looking for your towel?
No. Can I have a washcloth?
He's trying to find that's why he's dumping it.
Please?
Get Daddy.
There's one. Can you go get it wet and bring it to me? Thanks. I don't know, but I don't plan on giving you one.
Don't knock Daddy's
No,
beer
no,
over.
no, leave that alone.
Don't knock Daddy's beer over. It's right by your foot. I don't know. Sloan, stay up here. He's chasing the birds. They flew around. They flew. They flew. Where's your washcloth? What?
House.
I don't know. It was in the bucket and then you threw it at Daddy. Should we see if it's on the car?
Yeah. And this car.
No, where are you?
Hey, what's this?
Oh, there's a rag. Towel. Where's the other one? I don't know where it's at, son. No, I was looking for the other one, silly.
Hey, you can make this slowly.
No, you just emptied it. Get it wet. Do you need it back? Okay, you can put it back. Okay, don't make me not wet.